All right, so here we have graph a quadratic function by using key features. Again, we are not going to find the key features by hand. We are just going to graph the quadratic function in Desmos graphing calculator. So here is the quadratic function. F of x equals 3x squared minus 6x minus 1. We are going to put into our calculator the quadratic portion only, not the entire equation, just what comes after that, or where we see that x squared term. So I have my Desmos open here, and I am going to put in 3x squared minus 6x minus 1. 3x squared minus 6x minus 1. So here is that graph. From here, I'm going to choose all of those key features and vocabulary that we are learning. So the first one they say is the axis of symmetry. I always say find the vertex first, because once you find the vertex, you can find the axis of symmetry. But when you're doing it by hand, you can find one at a time. So you would find the x value using the formula. But on here, the vertex is here. So 1, -4 is my vertex. So the x value of that vertex is going to be my axis of symmetry. So I'm just going to throw it in on the graph. You don't have to, but it's good to check because if I thought it was -4 and I put in x equals -4, I noticed that that line does not go through the middle of my graph. So then I need to change it. And the x value is 1. So x equals 1 is the line that goes through the middle of that. I'm just going to change it to a dotted line. So that is my axis of symmetry. And it is x equals 1. Next, the y-intercept. And you can click anywhere on here and it will show you those key features. You just got to remember which one is which. The y-intercept is found on the y-axis. So it is -1. And then the x-intercepts is 2.115 or 155 and -0.155. So here and here. Remember, those are the x-intercepts. They have 4 names. So they are also called zeros. Sometimes they are called roots. Other times they are called solutions. And in this case, we had -0.155 and 2.155. So again, these are the 4 features that you want to be able to identify, label, and also find the value numerically off of a graph.